And any soldier or DSS or Tiger Base or police or whatever that raise head to hold me or to say you go track me, you go do this, the ghost of the land will hold you. Any day you drag what you get in your village, you will die.
Well, na claim say he no go talk, he no go stand up, he no go free from that sickness. Well, na give am with una God do. Na the same gentleman na the claim say na him come by people. You see una life? Just imagine all of you. Una see gentle. I don't watch that video. I no see gentle. Gentle never tell you say na him be the person where tie them. Una the talk. How una the talk from two sides of una mouth? Una say gentle no dey with anybody. He no dey with una. Make una leave am. Gutuzo leave am. All of them make una leave them alone. Eh? Ogen kere getting onami. Ngozo Rabeze getting onami. Imama Dabon getting onami. So waiting be your problem inside.
Make your investigation from DSS. Chop time out before. Ka when hamega here bubago that time. Ka DSS EGA reward that time. But DSS wepula ka debe that ogu Mozambique no. Police wepula ka ebu Mozambique no. Onye ka ogu Mozambique na roro.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 28th of August 2025, we are bringing this news live and direct to you. Biafrans, it is happening in Okigwe. Okigwe is very hot too. So it's very hot. You can see these Asari boys who ran to native doctor to get more powers because the Biafra Liberation Army are dealing with them. A good number of them is already they have already buy them in Okigwe, so they have no other choice than to run to a native doctor so that they can get more power to fight Gentle the Yahoo and his boys. So what do you think, guy? Now you can see that this young man who is wearing a camouflage, a military camouflage, is a new militant group that was recently formed in Imo State. So this guy is not agitating for Biafra freedom, rather he is agitating for oil control, because you know that it's oil and gas in Okigwe. I hope you are aware of that Imo State has oil and gas with some other mineral resources. So this guy is now asking for a percentage, a lion's share, just like in the days of the Niger Delta people
that stand against this thing I'm doing. That person have find my trouble. And let me tell you people, government, I'm not fighting with you people. I'm not quarreling with anybody. If you are army, you are Tiger Base, you are anything you call yourself by government, I'm not against you. I'm not against anybody. But what I want you people to bear in mind that if you are a human being, you get mind, go to your village. You see what is in your village, you will not drag it. You see your right, you will not drag it. And you feel that you cannot drag your right. You come and go ahead and pursue me. But if that you go to your papa's land and drag your papa's land, or you go to your village and drag whatever belongs to you, if you come pursue me, draw your hand for ear. Because the gods of the land will be against the person that pursuing me. I don't want to know the amount of money that I've given to you people to be pursuing me, to be destroying my name. After all, I cannot have that kind of oil there. I want to be go and thief, or to be doing kidnapping, or to be doing robbery, or to be doing courtesan. I cannot, while I have oil in my village. My brothers and sisters, I did not get problem with anybody. Problem I get is the company in my village. And any leader that say, all this is will not come to Asa and Obile, that leader have found my trouble. And any soldier or DSS or Tiger Base or police or whatever that raise head to hold me or to say he go track me, he go do this, the ghost of the land will hold you. Any day you drag what you get in your village, you will die. Any day you go, maybe your father's land or something that belongs to you in your village, you go there to drag out, you will die. If you see truth, you say this is truth. Then if you see lie, say is lie. This is Commander Vuga.
Yeah, man.
I have all equipments to fight my battle. If you watch my man, who we are men are plenty.
Yeah, man.
Rogedu, I have many things to do.
Man,
What I want for you people from now till December, I want light to be done so that people coming back for December will see light. I want road to be tied so that people come back will be seeing the road. So that if you call us Niger Delta, if you call us oil and gas, we will answer. Does not mean that if you go outside, I'll be oil and gas. You'll be oil and gas while you're nothing. Suffering. Youth are suffering. Women are suffering. Even men are suffering. Some people we know from somewhere, from village, even their papa is nobody. Because of you win this one, you be leader of this. Now you begin the pack money, leave to open to your village. You go to many places and buy land and build house and leave your village. What if you do all these things finish, earthquake happen? It's everybody that will face the earthquake. Then now you people are come out to be eating our money. Oga, me Commander Vuga, I no agree. Commander Vuga, I say no to bad leader. I have stand. No man, no woman, no man born of woman shall hurt me. Asa Obile, this is my annoyance. This is my fight. That is why I come out. Any leader that come meet you that I be doing courtesan, I'm destroying something, I'm doing this, Oga is lie. I'm fighting for our freedom. I'm fighting for Asa Obile, for them to get light. Awara, for them to get light. Get road. So that if we carry our men's and enter the village, good employment, they will see the development. They will see everything. My brothers and sisters, government, if you people need this thing, I'll come and surrender it. But it's because of annoyance that is make me provoked. Asa leaders and Obile leaders. Mona draw a hand for ear. Government, anybody that never go to a village to claim what he gets, you come and pursue me. If you come pursue me finish, you go any day, you find your daddy's property or you drag something belongs to you, that day you will die. You will not see good. Even any leader that see this thing, that say, oh, this, that, okay, the leader will die. Anybody who don't need good thing for Asa Obile will die. Why are we suffering? While you have anything. Okay? For my barrack, I get Debam, I get Dewe, I get people who know they on court. I get Oson group, I get Omok group, I get Ebema group, I get Ahoda group, I get Patakot group. This is joint tax team. If you can see it, it's for bad people. It's people that don't want peace. Yes, I will show them. Yeah, this is my second in command. This if you watch 1, 2, 3, 4, it's 4 is 120. Then when I will go to use it for anybody, that day it will not be good. And coming back again if you people did not settle. Thank you.
That's what this guy is now asking. He's not even asking for Biafra. He's not even seeking for Biafra. He's not even planning of how to join the Biafran Liberation Army. That things will be a kind of more easier. But as he is now fighting on his own, warning the government that they should not try him. That if they ever try him, that he's not going to mercy for them.
You see all of you where they confused. Una they do media, they hide on our face. I don't tell Una, I go expose all of you one by one. All your pictures I go bring up. Una secret, that person where they send Una, where they hide, I go expose them too. I don't talk up. Now, no na open Una mouth. talk say gentle with Butuzo and Owam and the other people. Now God of Biafra hold them, and they no go ever free until they confess waiting on a talk. You the brag, abi? You the demo, you the dengue, you the pose. Hand of God of Biafra go touch you. Now, the same gentle, where una claim say, he no go talk, he no go stand up, he no go free from that sickness, where una give am with una God do. Now, the same gentle una the claim say, na him come by people. You see una life? Just imagine all of you. Una see gentle. I don't watch that video. I know see gentle. Gentle never tell you say na him be the person where tie them. Una the talk. How una the talk from two sides of una mouth? No be una tell us say gentle dey down and he no go ever stand up until he confess. I heard the video. That is why I am warning. If you know you are coming to lie, to deceive people, you better stay away. Because by the time I will get angry with you people, if you not provoke me, make I verse. If I verse, it go ugly for all of you. Fools everywhere. Mumu, itiboribo juru everywhere. Lego de hiyo na so togare odo na social media. Gentle as gentle as the day I will come out to talk about gentle and what has been happening and why somebody is pushing the negative narrative. Make una de push am. You go give una the negative narrative. Una go de push am. The day I go talk am. Una eye go open. The blind will see. The dumb go talk that day. I don't they keep quiet. Make una respect una self. Fight for your Biafra. Una say gentle no dey with anybody. You know they with you. Make una leave am. Butuzo, leave am. All of them, make una leave them alone. Ogen kere getting onami. Ngozo Rabeze getting onami. Imama Dabon getting onami. So waiting be your problem inside. Go and use your own army and do what you want to do. Don't look for a way of spying other people. Don't look for a way of bringing something that is called internal edakanono. That means you are a sabo. Anybody where they bring that thing will go cause internal edakanono. Onya wo sabo and oga hadronya nama. Nana make burukere movement. Make I just they keep quiet. They watch you. I give una just a little while. If una no repent, I go force una to leave. You jump into Biafra to destroy it. You think say go work? You no go work. I don't tell you, you no go ever work. No na talk say gentle, no go get up again. Until you confess you waiting on a talk. Say go confess. I go, by the time I go begin the play on a video, if you know what is good for you, to onogenga, to iregenga, before you come out to say anything in this social media, be careful. Because social media we never forget. I am serious. I am very, very serious. And I am warning everybody. Propagandists, liars, not gonna take time.
So Ugo 247 is now on the side of gentle. Ugo 247 is now telling the Biafrans that they should ignore Ngozi Orobeze, that they should ignore any other person but focus on the men on ground. This is what Ugo 247, who said that the video that was shared is not Gentle voice, that Gentle is not the one that by those 3 young guys. Now, wow, so many things are not coming out too. I can tell you.
Again, the Nigerian government have chased away every villager in this village. Look at your village. Look at what you have done to your village. You have turned your village into a bush. No more, nobody is living in your village anymore. You are bringing in Nigerian terrorists. You fed your own people to kill your own people. Yes, this is Ako right now in Okigwe State in Biafra land. Look at how Nigerian zoo military have chased away everybody in this village, claiming they are there looking for the Biafran Liberation Army. Why the Biafran Liberation Army is not living in this village? It's hardly you see people in this village again. For those of you that know this place, it's called Vuga. There is nobody here anymore, you know? We are in Uhala right now. The Biafran Liberation Army has taken it upon themselves to investigate this community ever since the war ended. You know, the Nigerian medias are afraid. All they carry about is lies and fallacy and propaganda, of which we are here live to show the world. This is Ako. We are in Ako right now. There is nobody in this village. After the invention of the Nigerian zoo military, you cannot find anybody in this village. This place is so devastated. Akwena, you know, my fellow people of Biafra, there is no more. You can hardly find people here. We are in Ako. Therefore, look at a part of your village, what you have turned it into. You think bringing in the Nigerian terrorists, government in uniform will help you? It will only destroy you and your people. And those clapping for you, let them see. You can hardly see people in Ako community that is full of vibrant men, full of old women and old men. You can hardly. Nobody is at home anymore. This is the handwork of Nigerian zoo military. They keep on invading people's community. They keep on invading the communities of the Igbo people. And the Igbo people are clapping for them. We will see to the end, you know. Nobody is living in this village anymore. This is a very nice community. But ever since the invasion of Nigerian zoo military, everybody have run away for the sake of their life, you know. Because I don't know how you will bring in your enemy to self-guide you. The enemies of Ndibu, the people that hold Mazinam the Kalu hostage. I don't know how you go and bring them to save you. They will treat you the way they are treating others. You know? Is there way? Is this place where Biafra Liberation Army is living? Is it this place? Is it this place? You are setting down people's house ablaze, claiming you are looking for the men on ground, the men of the Biafra Defense Forces. I'm sorry for you.
Nonso Okwa, who also exposed Ugu Mozambique, the killer machine, we can call him the buying machine in our Mama Ugu Mozambique, who was rumored many years back that he has been killed based on the innocent 14 Biafrans he buyed, tagging them IPOB or tagging them ESN. So the guy who has been on the run for a very long time is back.
We made a video here. Can Imo State government their way, to call their attention so that they will call that man to order. Yagano Londemad, Yakuko Londemad, Brumo Krobia, 200,000, 500,000, he get over for 1 million, 2 million. We made that video here and Imo State government was silent over it. I made further investigation. Make your investigation from TSS. Chop time before. That time. DSS reward that time. But DSS wepulaka debe that ogu Mozambique no. Police wepulaka ebu Mozambique no. Onye ka ogu Mozambique na ruru orwa. Ogu Mozambique ona ruru onye orwa. onye diri ọrụ ị na-aga n'elu ụmụ okorobịa awọ mma ụmụ okorobịa amịrị ụmụ okorobịa around that axis nke burule 200,000 300,000 nke ahụ ihe akara ya n'ahụ akara ha na mebi akara mmadụ n'ahụ ya nke westie that particular person. Anyị ekwuo ya here, gọọmenti agba nkịtị, polisi agba nkịtị, DSS agba nkịtị. Ihe a na-ekwu mgbe nọ nso kwa bịa kwuo okwu protest na aga ịhụ ha awụ ya shịa. Nọ nso kwa pụọ da kwuo okwu protest na see all the use of our mama now. Anyị pụta na ka anyị block that Onitsha Owerri road na ka anyị block, we can block it. It is our right to block it. Nọ nso kwa kwuo okwu protest na ka anyị wish n'ụzọ now block that road na about Ogun Mozambique. That is where you see most state government reacting, bringing a press release to castigate Nonsonkwa. No, they inciting. That is the only language Imo State government. Inciting. Inciting the public. But I have pinpoint to the criminality of the activities of this guy. Ogu Mozambique, ni hone mena one mama, una try he take note, una try he call ya to other. Every night, every day, every morning, this guy anaga violate the human rights of the people of our mama and the Ameri, and of course the Oru East and Oru West. Ane kwi una abachi kiti. Ane kwi una abachi kiti. Ndeno na government abachi kiti. Unu ga agwanyi. Onye deal that guy on. Let me play this voice note first. Kwa hapi edu kwa uwo nakatamne kwi hem nama hishi dodia.
Okay. Na mwa na follow gi mana Facebook mana TikTok geni andu no bana no online ana me follow gi sa bete enwere yam na achọ ka nkele gi sa na nye odika help we na help ai gbasara mkpaja mkpagbu ana akpagbu ai biko na bete since anyị gbara kwuche okwu ebe last week gbasara maka nye ndị awọ mama the thing continue kwere na-emekwe.
Okay.
Ebe 3 days ago nwa amadi a na-akpọ Ogu Mozambique ọ bịa hakwara na awọ mama bushiri ndị mmadụ bịa hakwa yesterday and ndị nke ahụ bushiri ile nye ọ sị each person yo ga-eje ebela is 150,000 naira. Ọ bịa hakwa yesterday ebe a na-akpọ ụmụ okwe awọ mama na community m bịa rieke ndị mmadụ again bụrụ ha lawakwa again. Biko nna biko ama na ị na-try right biko beti ichiri ikwu biko ndị ọ dị n'aka ndị awọ mama chi ha stop this man ịbakputa na our community. Ha na-ejizi ndị awọ mama na-akpazi ego ndị ọ nọ na 1 million 2 million. Ama m ihe anyị mere that man. Biko sa help anyị biko sa.
No problem, eh?
Okuda anole ndị awọ mama. I believe na ndị awọ mama nwere union. I believe na awọ mama nwere town union, and I believe na awọ mama nwere onye eze. Ọkwa ihe ihere no ndị awọ mama nwere prominent figures n'Imo State and beyond. Mandeno obodo Igbo mandeno somebody anọrọ n'ụlọ here terrorize mma unu, terrorize mpa unu, terrorize lọnkụrụ unu, terrorize ụmụnne unu, unu agbachi nkịtị. Unu lọtakwa oge terrorize unu, ọ bụrụkwa unu adịghị awe. Unu lọtakwa from ebe ahụ unu n'ebe obodo Igbo ahụ. Unu lọta this guy get terrorize kwa unu. Marakwa n'ihe unu mere now. Agba mbụ ọtụọ n'ogwe, agba ịbụ ọtụọ n'ogwe, agba ịtọ ọtụọ n'ogwe. Ya ajụzi ajụjụ si ọ bụ so ogwe ka apịrị akụ. Akụkata aka n'obi egosi ndị mmụọ ebe ndụ mmadụ. Okenye adịkwa nọ n'ụlọ ewu amụọ n'ọgbịrị. Ekwuchakwa m etikwa m ihe ka mkpu. Gbakwanụ nkịtị ka Ogu Mozambique were unu na-akpara afịa, were unu na-emere business, were unu na-emere ọchanja market na arịarịa market. Gbanụ nkịtị. One day ihe ọ na-eme now ọ ga-abanye ihe ọzọ. Gọọmenti Igbo steeti ọsọ unu oho, DSS ọsọ unu oho, polisi ọsọ unu oho. Mana nọ nso kwakwa okwu protest now ka unu ga-apụtakwu okwu incitement. Ihe m na-eje eme ihe awụ okike kere ụwa dịle m ọrụ ma eluigwe ma elu ala. Anụla olu m ekwupụla m ya.
Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you everyone watching this video. Let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Bye.